Newport Transport is delighted to be able to present to Newport the electric revolution in public transport. We are the first in Wales to run a fully electric vehicle, and now we have a fleet of 15 vehicles out there, 19% of our fleet requirement every day. We're also, outside of London, the first in the UK to run a fleet of that size. The vehicles we've chosen is the Yutong E12 single-deck vehicle. It has 39 seated capacity, and we have spec'd the vehicle quite high with the likes of full aircon separate for the driver to the customers, and the vehicle itself is very quiet and is fully electric with zero emissions at the tailpipe. The company wanted to be at the forefront of this. We had success with the ULEB funding from the NFT of 1.342 million to buy electric vehicles, and found a couple of partners in Zenobia Energy and Pelican Bus and Coach to help us do that.
Newport are leading the way in Wales of actually getting a green future for the area. Because with electric vehicles, people have been concerned about the range. We now have 422 kilowatt hour batteries on that vehicle. But because we're using DC charging, we're able to charge that vehicle in less than 3 hours off the grid. This is not new technology. It's new technology to the UK, but it's tried, tested and proven in service.
So running these vehicles now for the people of Newport is only the stage one, if you like, of the future programme of the company, which is to be fully electric by 2028. Newport Transport has went into this project for the people of Newport. It's about them, it's for them. Hopefully they can see that and they'll make that moral shift to electric transport.